morning, students. In your math magic book, in this chapter, how many times ninth one chapter. See this next one point, page number 131. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. You draw here these sticks, multiplication table of 6. See here given multiplication table of 2. In this type of this, you draw here sticks, this multiplication table of 6. Means here write 1 into 6, 6, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 6, 18, 4 into 6, 24, 5 into 6, 30, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 6, 42, 8 into 6, 48, 9 into 6, 54 and 10 into 6, 60. Means you prepare here this table of this 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54 and 6 10 is 16. The next one, see here, shopping with tables. How much do these things cost? 4 toffees cost, see here, rupees 2 each. Means one toffee here chocolate cost is 2 rupees. Then here 4 toffee. How many? 4. Then 4 2s are 8 rupees. This cost of this total toffees here 8 rupees. Then see next one here. 3 pencils boxes cost here 10 dash rupees. Means one pencil box here 10 rupees. One pencil box here 10 rupees. Then here how many pencil boxes? 3. Then 3 tens are 30 rupees. 10 pencil boxes cost dash rupees. Then 10 pencil boxes cost here 10 tens are 100 rupees. Then next one, see 9 balloons cost dash rupees here. 1 balloon cost 5 rupees. 1 balloon cost 5 rupees. Then here total 9 balloons. Then 9 5s are 45 rupees. 9 balloons cost, you write here answer 45 rupees. Then next one, page number. See this picture here, toys. 5 toys cost, means here given one toy cost is rupees 4 and here 5 toys. Then 5 toys cost is how many rupees? 20 rupees. Means one toy cost 4 rupees. Then 5 toys cost here 20 rupees. Then next one picture you see here, face mask. Here face mask, here one face mask here cost is rupees 3. One face mask cost is here rupees 3. Then here 7 face mask. How many? 7 face mask cost is dash rupees. How many rupees then? 21. 7 3s are 21 rupees. Then practice times, complete the following. Here multiplication is given 2 into 7. You directly do this multiplication and write answers. Then you write in homework, you complete this multiplication. 2 into 7. 4 into 9. You directly do and write answers. 5 into 8. 10 into 6. 9. 3 into 9. 5 into 2. 3 into 10. 2 into 8. 10 into 8. Write these answers. 2 7s are 14, 4 9s are 36, 5s are 40, 10 6s are 60, 5 9s are 45, 3 9s are 27, 5 2s are 10, 3 10s are 30, 2 8s are 16 and 10 8s are 80. Then this also what problems you write in your notebook. This 1 toffee cost 2 rupees. Then 4 toffees cost is dash rupees. How many rupees here? 8 rupees. This also you write in homework. Then next one, see, look at the patterns and complete them. Here pattern is given and you complete this. See this pattern here, 3 6 9 and here this empty places is given. You see this 3 table. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, then 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15, 3 6 जा 18. Then 2 4 6. Then these 2 table. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. Then 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12. In this type of this you complete this pattern. Then next one, see here, this 10 20 30 means here given this table of this 10. Then 10 1 जा 10, 10 2 जा 20, 10 3 जा 30, 10 4 जा 40, 10 5 जा 50, 10 6 जा 60. Then next one, see here, 4 8 12 this numbers given means this table of this 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20 and 4 6 जा 24. Then next one, 5 10 15, 5 table is given, then you complete this. Then here 30 60 90 means in 30 number add this 30, this 30 table, 30 60 90, then you write here 34 जा 120, 35 जा 150, 36 जा 180. In this type of this pattern. Then in homework tomorrow I will give this homework, this today's homework. You write this multiplication, and in your book these word problems also given, this also you complete this. Okay, bye.